The world is warming faster today than at any other time in history. Generation and use of energy, deforestation, transportation, food production, and excessive consumption are the main causes of climate change. The degradation and deforestation of native forests are responsible for almost 10% of the net carbon emissions generated globally. Warmer temperatures are disrupting the normal balance of nature, leading to more powerful storms, intense drought periods, glacier melting, loss of biodiversity, food scarcity, and poverty. The Paris Agreement is the international treaty in which countries agreed in 2015 to work together to limit the increase in global temperature to 1.5 degrees Celsius. To achieve this goal, it is necessary to reduce emissions by 45% by 2030 and achieve zero neutrality by 2050. Currently, according to reports from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the situation is worrying since the established goals seem out of reach. Forests can mitigate about 1/3 of the emissions necessary to meet the targets set for 2030. That is why we say that the future climate of our planet is directly linked to the future of its forests. GMF is a company with a solid 17-year history in the forest industry in Argentina. The company is recognized as a pioneer in the design and implementation of forest projects for the issuance of carbon bonds, placing it at the forefront of sustainable practices in the sector. GMF has successfully implemented 7 projects in the country. Thanks to these initiatives, a total surface of 10,000 hectares has been planted, allowing the capture of 1.5 million tons of carbon dioxide. To put these numbers into perspective, the area planted by GMF is equivalent to 1/3 of the annual forest plantation area in Argentina, and the captured carbon dioxide could offset the emissions of 470,000 cars over a year, or provide electricity to 1.2 million homes. Let's take a look at some of the projects already implemented by GMF in Argentina. Located in the city of Ituzaingó, in the province of Corrientes, is Santo Domingo, the project that GMF designed and implemented in 2007 for the Novartis laboratory. Santo Domingo, with its total surface area of 3,400 planted hectares, which houses over 20 exotic and native species, has already captured more than 450,000 tons of carbon dioxide, and become the most successful project of the 4 that Novartis has globally. This is the Santa Barbara project, which GMF designed and implemented for Bayer, aimed at preventing the degradation and deforestation of 1,000 hectares of native forests, located in the Yungas of the province of Jujuy and the Chaco region in the province of Salta. In Santa Barbara, we prevent the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere by preserving the native forest, increase carbon capture through forest management practices, and promote biodiversity conservation. In the province of Misiones, 10 kilometers from Posadas, is San Francisco, our silvopastoral project implemented in 2020. The silvopastoral system is a natural climate solution that integrates sustainable livestock production, pastures, and wood production in the same establishment. The goal of San Francisco is to develop a protocol for accounting and certifying the carbon neutrality of livestock production. The trajectory of GMF, which is B Corporation certified under the B Corporation system, has been recognized in recent years with many awards, both in the public and private sectors, for its trajectory in the forestry sector and its commitment to leaving a positive footprint on the planet and people. GMF. The solution is in nature.